Hi guys! So welcome to my YouTube channel again. So today magluto tayo. So magluto-luto tayo everything. So wala ko'y content karon guys. So I decided to cook some whatsoever. Actually naluto na may daan. So ako lang siyang ayok. Saan pa apil-apil? So ka friendly mo eh. So I have here kamote, sweet potato. So I don't know what I gonna do or something. Maybe tawag nito, kamote delight or what? But I don't have anything. Parang wala akong masyadong ingredients dito. So, but we'll see kung anong pwede natin gawin. So, we'll check first So, ito yung mga ingredients na gagawin ko. But we'll check first sa ref kung anong meron. So, parang may ano dito, honey. Ano ba itong dito? Mga whatever, ever. So, parang wala mong pwedeng ano dito. But we'll see it guys kung ano yung pwede nating magagawa. So, since ngayon it's Sunday, so of course, it's worship day, and since after that is family day, pero since malayo kami sa family namin, so we're just here in the house doing nothing. It's not nothing. Well, doing something for our ano ba to? Ano ba yan? For our vlog. So, see you later guys. And so well, I'm gonna prepare this one. Prepare na tayo sa gagawin natin. So, maybe first is we need to remove ito yung ano niya. Pwede natin i-remove dito. Kuha mo na. Yan. Before you cook something, make sure your area is clean so that maganda naman yung presentation. And not just the presentation itself, but of course, the food, parang naman malinis, diba? So, remove muna natin tong niya. Pero parang hindi naman ito effective. Try natin ito. Mahirap din. Kung ano ko dito guys. So, ang ganda ng kulay ng sweet potato na to kasi siyang orange. Orange and this one. So, where is that? Okay. So, yun guys. So, we'll do some mukbang also ngayon. Kaya, laban tayo. So, remove lang tayo. So, kahit hindi ka naman magaling magluto, ngayon na time is everything is possible because of YouTube or social media itself. Diba? So, yun. But all you have to do is search and learn. So, step by step, it's a process guys for me to learn something new. So, ako talaga hindi ako magaling magluto before. At ngayon naman hindi rin. But at least meron na siyang lasa. So, let's do some chika lang while I'm preparing this one. Para hindi naman boring. May pagligo na dear. So, yun. At the same time, kung may interest ka sa mga bagay is paglaanan mo talaga yun ng time to learn, time to prepare, time to love. Bakit included ang love? Parang hindi naman siya part. So, I'll see. So, as you observe, ang background music ko ngayon is Christmas because I want to hear some Christmas song. Para ma-feel ko lang yung Christmas, guys. So, at at the same time, inspire naman ako dito sa while cooking something here, preparing something. So why not coconut peanut? OMG. Malaglag. Let it snow. Pagbigo na dear, kaya para akong electric pan diri na dear. So medyo mainit dito guys. So labanan tayo. And kaniligo ko lang, so fresh na fresh tayo. So preparing this one. Possible ang magagawa ko ngayon is ano muna natin yung hair natin. I-tie muna natin ang hair kaya parang napakainit. And yung advantage kung meron ka dito mga can just para naman safe yung food na i-prepare natin guys. Walang hair. Mix and wash your hands after. And go back. So yun. Ngayon kasing pandemic, hindi ka pwedeng malagala guys kasi of course for your safety at the same time you take care of yourself for your family, diba? So, dapat talaga maging careful ngayon. So sige lang yan, pag wala naman yung matapos yung pandemic, sige gala na lang tayo. But right now hindi pwede yung sige lang tayo. I'll tell you why Santa Claus is coming strong. So while we're doing this one, kanta lang tayo para hindi lang tayo bored. Looks like always. For this, hindi tayo magaling kumanta, so huwag naman natin push. You better watch out, you better learn. Hindi ko alam ngayong Christmas if I have some bonus or wala. Napakasad naman kung wala. Boss, sana na bigyan mo ko ng bonus ha. Cash, kasi kailangan ko ng cash. So yun. So tapos na tayong remove na. And now, proceed tayo sa pag-mash. I-mash natin siya. Saan ko ba siya i-mash? Dito yung lang ito. So, go to your back. Tapos. And get some of the same. So I guess this one. I'm gonna use this one. So tingnan natin siya guys. Para this one. This is what I do. Ang dami nangyayari pa yung pandemic na ito. Ang dami din lumalabas na mga talents and skills na paghihin. So yun, keep on lang, exploring, inventing something. Ang daming Pati mga businesses ngayon, ang daming lumalabas, diba? Ang daming mga ideas na hindi mo ina-expect na lalabas. At the same time, yung mga businesses na nag-close or yung mga taong parang nawalan talaga ng mga opportunity during pandemic. Marami namang nag-iisip talaga ng initiative to have income, like they do online selling, diba? So from food to non-food, they really do that. We also tried that during during ECQ period. So we cook some sweets, tapos we sell something, yun. Kasi ngayon, during pandemic, we realize na mahirap kung tutunanan ka lang, wala kang gagawin. Magugutom ka talaga. Yun, sell something. And right now, I'm also selling mga sabon. Promoting. So, I'm selling mga sabon-sabon, foods, berries from Australia. So, yun, challenging lang ang pagbebenta kasi medyo expensive. But, sila, hinahinay lang. Don't give up, guys. So, keep on selling lang. Through online lang naman tayo magsisell. Tapos, kung may mga friends ka, try to sell them. Yun. Maraming opportunity kung willing ka. Pero kung wala kang willingness, tutungan ka lang sa bahay mo. Yun yung pinaka mahirap. Yun talaga yung pinaka sad, no? So, keep innovating, researching, reading something, para you get idea. At the same time, magawa mo siya. Mahirap ang pag-machine nito. In fairness. Pero sige lang, take your time. Tapos kung hindi mo pa siya kabisado, keep on trying, guys. Huwag mo siyang, so ito na yung result. So ilagay mo lang yung heart mo sa mga ginagawa mo, and everything will be successful. And everything will be fine. And happy kasi so, diba? Itong pag-mash nito is parang workout din siya sa muscle mo on your arms kasi you need some force. So a lot of force to do this. Yun. So more mashing. Ito na yun. Potatoes. Forevermore. A Christmas time. So malapit na ang Christmas. So sana talaga may bonus. Pero what do you expect na it's pandemic? So di ko alam kung gagawin ng boss ko or lang. Shout out to my boss. Sana kita mo naman mga pangailangan namin. Because I need, of course, boss, we know kung yung mga pangailangan mo rin kaya hindi namin sinasabi, but we help you. Sa vlog talaga sinabi. Yung nakatawa ng TV. Maraming followers. special thanks sa mo ang sponsor mo ni siya. Say hi sa akong vlog.
Hi vlog.
Welcome to my guys.
So isa po din sa mga sponsor, guys. Oo. Yeah.
Nalang dili ko ka-view sa inyo.
I don't know. Ambot ba sige vlog ko rin mo? Like, ano naman?
Hingitan pa ka guys.
Hoy, no!
Alam ka. Pero, alam mo,
Supportive kayo sila sa akong vlog, guys. Kasi they really think of content. So, sila po ang nag-decide na mukbang daw may guys. Kaya, bisibisihan ka naman.
Ngayon ta
Some
guys.
grapes, guys. So,
Napay price.
kung mag 1 million na tayo, guys, sige lang mag-give mga gifts. Hello, oy. Excited ko sa inyong lutuon. So, bisag unsa lang mo lutuon, guys. Kaya lang kayo maka-pressure.
Ay, mag-tiktok sa
So, na-vlog diri guys. Napoy TikTok dito. Napoy tingali ang uban diya pa video, Instagram, sa pa Facebook. Sa kuan mo, city gate mo.
Sisi, barato naman.
Dito, mas
Ato may palengke. Sa wala may mga balikya kahit na domingo.
Magay, nagdala mo face shield.
Nakapalit mi sa gawa. At bang sa si Sisi.
Tanda pa lagi. Wala, uy, excited kung sa pang lutuon ni Christian. Amazing kayo guys, kay magmukbang mi, but lahi ang magluto guys. Amazing. Amazing. See you later, guys. So let's start na. Mixing. It's Kamote Delight. So, ang hirap talaga mag-vlog kung ikaw na mag-isa. Laban. Ayan. Lang tayo. Tapos, i-mix mo lang para hindi siya mag-dry. And after that, maybe 5 minutes lang to. Then after that, lagyan na natin siya sa pan. So, look at that. So, start na siya nag-boil. And after that, since isa lang kamay ko, i-mix natin yan, di ba? Dapat mix tayo. Mix lang.